Welcome to Bobogus.com. I'm really excited to finally be able to give traders full access to the methods that I personally use and to be able to provide coaching to new traders, struggling traders, and even profitable traders that are just looking to learn a few new tricks. Many of you probably arrived here from either the recommendation of other traders or possibly even a link from another site. I just want to say that I know there are a lot of these self-proclaimed gurus out there all claiming that they will make you rich. Well, I'm not one of those gurus. I'm just a guy who has invested the time to teach myself how to trade, and over that time I've developed some very simple, logical methods which are consistently profitable. I've spent a lot of time helping traders on other sides, and it's something that I found that I really enjoy doing. Some of you may have even heard of me or learned some of the Fibonacci trading that I've taught to traders from other forums. And if you're looking to continue that method of trading with Fibonacci, you can get that extended education right here. However, with our Trade Kings Club, you're going to get a lot more than that. The Trade Kings Club is really a great opportunity for traders. I'm going to really give away the keys to all of my personal trading methods. And these are the methods that I've developed through a lot of blood, sweat, and tears, and I have certainly paid my dues in the market and trading for a living. As a Trade King, I'm going to teach you how to trade, not how to use indicators. All of my methods are simple logic and based on support and resistance. When you look at my charts, they're not going to be all cluttered up or loaded down with indicators. Let me show you just a few of the things here that you'll learn, and it's really very simple. It's not rocket science or anything. It's just basic support and resistance. There's also Fibonacci that is time-based. There's Fibonacci that is waveform based, and we even have the only little thing that I've developed here is called price levels, and it's been very, very effective, especially when you're scalping the markets from the 1 hour time frame. And one of the things that I feel will separate us from everyone else is first you're going to learn basic concepts or the logic behind the way the methods were actually developed before you move into any of the other methods that we just looked at very briefly here. Trading is only as complicated as you want it to be. For some reason, people tend to assume that the more complex a trading method or strategy is, the more profitable it is. But actually, it's the opposite that's true. And if you give me the opportunity, I'll prove it to you. Many traders assume that there's some holy grail that only a few market participants know about, but that's just not the case. I think everyone would really be surprised if they saw how the traders from the larger banks and these large hedge funds actually trade. They're using just the very simple, basic, proven strategies just like we do here. And once you've learned the strategies, the only thing you need is experience. Here on the site here, we have a very nice platform just for me to work with the members through coaching and just trading right along beside each other. When you go through our strategies, there's a little bit here for everyone, and it really depends on your trading career, whether it be full-time, part-time. You may want to use one of the strategies, use some of them, or just simply one. It just really depends on what suits you. But with our strategies, we will regularly update every single one of them through video and text. We also have a section in here for market updates. And basically what that is every week we're going to do something a little bit different. Most people will give you a picture of something that is already developed. Where here we're going to do things a little bit different. We're going to give you a view of the market and what we project in the future to be happening. So we're really not going to be doing anything after the fact. We're going to be doing our updates before the market happens. We also have in here trade recs and tasty setups. Basically what that is one of the things or one of the keys to actually being successful is understanding the losses. And here we're going to cover losses as well as profitable trades. And the thing about losing trades is learning how to handle those and manage your money correctly so that they don't actually hurt you when you do lose. You just simply move on to the next trade. Here on the site, we also have our own community forum. And in our forum, it actually gives me the opportunity to give a lot more personalized training to our members, and it also allows you to work with the other members and progress together. We'll also always be taking feedback from members and adding more to the site. We already have some things in the works for future editions, and we'll always be striving to make bubfocus.com the best community site available. Once again, welcome, and I look forward to working with you in the Trade Kings Club. We look forward to getting to know you and enabling you to help master the markets. Take care.